And here we are back for December 7. How are you going with your partridge? It's starting to look rather pretty, I think. So again, I'm using that friction pen and giving myself a guideline, a spine down the middle of that leaf. And again, I'm going to come across with some little divisions. These are only about 1/2 inch apart. And what do we like at Christmas time is lots of hugs and kisses. So this is a design called Hugs and Kisses. I'm going to use each of those areas to either put a circle or a cross. There you go, hugs and kisses for that leaf. So that's December 7. I'll see you all back here very soon. Bye-bye.